So my name is Joseph Batista of Escabo Da'an Filipino Martial Arts. We are located in San Francisco Bay Area.
Absolutely. Now, what about as far as, does your system, do you guys compete?
We do not. We have some people that want to compete, but we're not one that focuses on competitions.
Okay. Now, what do you think about tournaments and competition within the Filipino martial arts?
No, I think they're great.
Okay.
I think they're great. I think that's one of the biggest reasons why karate, jiu-jitsu became as large as they are, because of this. There was an open format, public format,
Right.
for people to see what happens.
Absolutely.
Right? No doubt.
And so, would you encourage more of those type of events?
Yeah, no doubt.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, the more exposure we have as FMA community, the better off we are.
Right. Absolutely. I think, in my personal opinion, we need to create spaces where it's more of a we can be formal, but like an actual gathering of multiple disciplines.
Yeah.
You know, whether it's tournaments, seminars, workshop, or just eating.
Yeah.
Kind of stuff. I think that those are the kind of just get together. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah. No. All for that.
Right.
All for that. Yeah.
Right. What else do you think we could do now? We live in, it's 2021. What else can we do to take FMA to the next level?
What else can we do to take FMA to the next level? That's a really good question. So I think if we all do our part of promoting FMA and helping anyone that wishes to learn it,
right,
and present to them, and we have a practice for the younger generation,
right,
I think that would be best bet.
Good. All right, let's get this from now.
My name is Joseph Batista of Escabo Da'an Filipino Martial Arts. You can find us at our website of www.escabodaan.org. We also have a YouTube channel, a Twitter channel, Facebook. Just look up Escabo, E-S-K-A, B as in boy, O, D as in dog, A-A, N as in Nancy. You'll find us.